All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So in this box are cell phone cases. Now this is obviously more of a press kit, but look what happens when I open this box. Is that not cool or what? So I'm actually using the case, and here it is right here. Before I get into one of those boxes here, I want to show you the case on the iPhone 10 or 10s, whichever one you have. It's a great size. This is just a good size phone. The case feels good. It's grippy along the sides. You've got drop protection on the corners and around. I do have a tempered glass on here, so make sure you put one on yours. But around the front here, you've got lip protection. So it's not just a fancy case. You got lip protection for lay on the table design, and then you got all your ports and everything line up fine just here, because this isn't a new phone to the market. The 10s and the 10 are not new phones to the market. And then you've got the camera is recessed there for protection. And so when I pop this off, this isn't just a regular clear case. This is a clear case with magnetic mounts in the inside built into this interchangeable back cover. So when I pop this off, you can see here it's cut out for the magnetic slot here to fit comfortably on the case. Now I'm using the clear one here, and this is clear, and they also have a smoked one, which I'm going to show you. And then I'm also going to show you what's in the box. So these two cases are pretty much the same, just different colors. This is the one I've been using, obviously, and here's the silverback. But in the box, I already have this set up in the car. You get all of this. You get this complete setup. So you can do it in the vent, or you could do it mounted somewhere. And I'm actually using this one, and I'll show you that right now. This is how I have it mounted up in my car. This 3M is super strong. The phone does not fall off in any kind of way. It is nicely positioned for me, and I think you'll really enjoy that. So let's get into the other color from the smoke case here, this with the red. The red is a little different. And again, remember, this is more of a press kit, but these individual packets do come like this, I'm more than certain. So this is the smoked version here. And on the smoked version, you've got red highlighted buttons here. So you can interchange this out with the red. All the cases, again, are the same. And I could put this black one on mine if I wanted to. I can put it over here since I have multiple of the same case, but this is the smoked version of this case. And this feels pretty good. Again, the red buttons kind of throw me off a little bit, but when you put that red back on there, it actually meshes up pretty well. So this is a new setup here that is really nice for the iPhone 10, 10s Max, or whatever. You can go to the website, look and see which ones they have for your phone. And I just think this is super hot. I really like their presentation the most. It was incredible. I never seen anything like that for a phone. But this phone case itself is a good phone case. I'm not just saying that. I've been using it, and it's actually really solid. Again, the magnet doesn't slip off. It's got a lot of grip. And I think you'll really like this case once you get it on your phone. You do have corner protection, like I said before, and lay on the table. It's a good case, man. I'll leave links down below, and shout out to them for sending over this press kit, unboxing kit, super kit. This is it's crazy, man. So you got military grade drop protection on here, so this will be pretty interesting to use daily. And I'm gonna keep rocking it because I got it mounted up in the car, got it looking just right. It's the hotness. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.